Jai Hind everyone. Some countries have a very specific idea of peace, that is, blaming other countries for warmongering while practicing the art of terrorism at the same time. This leads me to my today's lecture topic, that is India Pakistan relations. The Indo Pak relations have been very hostile since the partition of India in 1947, which led to the displacement, which led to the massive violence and massive casualties on the both sides, and this is the main reason of rising tensions between both the countries. The first and foremost issue is the Kashmir territory issue. The Kashmir is the integrated part of India as the Raja Hari Singh has signed the letter of accession with India. Denying the fact, Pakistan claims that Kashmir is the independent territory and used terrorism against the people of India to reclaim the territory of Kashmir. The second issue is territorial issue, in which Pakistan and India, both the countries have deployed massive military along the line of control. The third and the main issue is art of terrorism, which Pakistan practices. The former General Pervez Musharraf, in the book In the Fire, The Memories, has claimed he has commanded to send mujahideens or the terrorists in the Kashmir territory to increase tensions between the both countries. The fourth issue is Indus Water Treaty. The Indus Water Treaty is, I don't know what it is, because Indus Water Treaty says that 70% of Indus water will be used by Pakistan and 30% water will be used by India. However, the Indus water is flowing in India, and to use limited irrigation along the line of control or along the border, we have to take permission of Pakistan. This is just hilarious. The I would like to highlight the war between both the countries. That is, first war of Kashmir led by Pakistan, the 1947 war in which Raja Hari Singh signed the letter of accession with India and Indian army defeated Pakistani army. The second war was 1965 war, which is a 17 days war in which they again fought for Kashmir, and Indian army marched till the territory of Lahore. The third war is the 1971 war in which Bangladesh was born. The final and the 1999 war was a war on the Kargil range in which Pakistan again intended to capture the Kashmir territory. However, India successfully defended its territory. India successfully won the war. But the problem is, until when, up till when, these issues will continue. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.